I'm going to be showing you a very detailed process of how avocado oil is made from the scratch. So if you know you're a lover of avocado oil but you don't know how it is made, by the end of this video you're going to learn how to make it by yourself. Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today guys, I'm going to be teaching us how to make avocado oil from the scratch at home. So by the end of this video, definitely you will know how to make avocado oil by yourself. We're going to be making use of these 3 avocado which I have gone ahead to wash. In this video guys, I'm going to be teaching us 2 methods, so by the end you choose the one you feel is best for you. But to me, the second method is the best, and that's the confirmed way to make your avocado oil. I've gone ahead to open up my avocados and I'm just using my spoon to scoop it out into the plate. So after scooping the avocado, the next thing you're going to be doing is to smash your avocado into a paste. You can make use of your blender to blend it. You can make use of anything as long as whatever you're using will be able to smooth it, you guys. So first of all, I started by using the spoon and I realized that it wasn't getting the job done, so I had to make use of this piece tool, the hand of my mother, to smash this into a very smooth paste. And at the end of the day, this is how the avocado is looking. So I'm going to divide this avocado into 2 portions. Like I said from the beginning, that I'm going to be showing you 2 methods. So yeah, I'm going to be dividing the avocado into 2. The first portion will be for the first method and the second portion will be for the second method. I've gone ahead to scoop the first portion into my pan because of course in order to make your avocado oil you have to cook it on a medium heat. I've gone ahead guys to place the avocado on fire. I will never want to waste your time while you're watching any of my video, so I'm definitely going to fast forward this. Ensure that you fry until it turns golden brown, and that is what we've done, and I've just gone ahead to set this aside. Let's get the second one ready. So I'm going to scoop the last portion into the frying pan. And for this second method guys, we're going to be making use of oil as a carrier for this avocado. You can call it a base or whatever you want to call it. So for this, I'm going to be making use of my coconut oil. If you've not seen the video of how to make coconut oil, it's still on the page. You can just scroll down and find it and watch. I believe that avocado has oil, but not as much as people say it has, or the way you see it on videos that people make avocado oil just from avocado only. Yes, avocado has oil, but not so much oil that will be able to serve the purpose at which you want the avocado. So in order to actually make your avocado the right way, you need to make use of another oil. It might be the groundnut oil, I don't know whichever oil you want to use, in order to extract the nutrient from your avocado into that oil, and at the end of the day, that is your avocado oil. So this is our first avocado that we went ahead to fry without any oil, and you guys can see this is all we can get. Yes, avocado has oil, but is this actually what you want at the end of the day? No, this is it. This is the only oil I can get from this one. So if actually this is what I want to do, or I want to make use of my avocado oil, how am I able to extract the oil from this? Aside from this little oil you're seeing from here, this is not the right way to do your avocado oil. You're going to be seeing from the second step how your avocado oil is supposed to be. I went ahead to rub this to my skin so you guys will see that yes, it has oil but not enough oil. Now let's go to the second step and let's confirm. At the end of the day, you guys, you choose whether you want to make your avocado oil the first way or you want to make it the second way. But to me, the second method of making avocado oil, that's this one, is the best. You guys, even without applying pressure on this material, you can see that the oil is already beginning to drip. This is the best way to make your avocado oil. So you guys, this is our avocado oil. I'm just going to go ahead to apply a little pressure so that you guys can see that this is the best method. By the end of the day, you're an adult, you can choose how you want to do it. This is me applying pressure on the material, and we are still getting what we're supposed to get. Unlike the other one that the avocado was coming through from the material, you guys can see that it's just oil we're getting from this one. And look at how my hand is filled with oil, because This is the best procedure. So if this is not how you make your avocado oil, guys, you are sleeping on a long thing. This is the remnant of what we have. It's not even looking like avocado again, and this is our avocado oil. If you know you enjoyed this video, guys, please make sure to share, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment for me. I love you guys, and I'll see you. Bye.